pi, but that is minus pi x, minus px. So that will be psi px psi with a negative sign outside. So that means what happens? The expectation value in a parity transformed state is equal to minus of the expectation value in a parity non-operated state. जो parity जदि operate करा है जो state टा अच्छी ସେଥିରେ expectation value जहाँ मिलिबो जदि parity operated state रे हम expectation value टा बाहर करिबा it will just be the negative of the first value. Okay, next is what happens to the angular momentum. A parity operation रे angular momentum तार कौन हुए? Does it remain same? Does it change sign or what happens? So for that we have to understand what is the value of angular momentum. আমি যদি z component of angular momentum নবা, which is basically Lz. Z component of angular momentum is Lz. Now that is equal to ypx minus x py. Ypx minus x py. Now if I try to find out what is pi dagger Lz pi, ମୋର ଏଇ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁଟା ଜାଣିବାର ଅଛି pi dagger Lz pi. তাহলে পাই ডাইগর এলজেড পাই বাহার করিবার হেলে কোন করিবি পাই ডাইগর এলজেড জায়গায় লিখিবি কেতে ypx minus xpy. Then I will open the bracket. Once I open the bracket, what will happen? So there will be two terms. One will be pi dagger ypx pi. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି pi dagger ypx pi. Another will be pi dagger xpy pi. There will be two terms. Now next step what I will do is जो y और px अच्छी ता भीतर गोटे आइडेंटिटी ऑपरेटर एगुड़ा तो सब ऑपरेटर ना these are all operators तेणु ये y और px भीतर मैं गोटे आइडेंटिटी ऑपरेटर टाको इंट्रोड्यूस कर देबी आइडेंटिटी ऑपरेटर एनीथिंग इनटू आइडेंटिटी ऑपरेटर will be that operator itself. So that's why I will introduce one identity operator here. So pi dagger y identity px pi. Similarly, here it will be pi dagger x identity py pi. Now, identity is again in next step. Since pi is the unitary Hermitian, I can write I is equal to pi dagger. So, ये जो I identity नहीं थी, से जगह में कौन लिखी पकेगी pi dagger. So, the next expression will be pi dagger y pi dagger px pi minus pi dagger x pi dagger py pi. কিন্তু ଏଗୁଡାକର ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ବ୍ରାକେଟ ଭିତରେ ଯୋଉଗୁଡା ଅଛି ତାର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ତ ମତେ ଅଲରେଡି ଜଣା ସେଟା କେତେ -y -px -x -py. Once I use those values I am getting ypx minus xpy which is basically Lz. ଆଗ କେସ୍ ରେ କଣ ହଉଥିଲା ନା pi dagger operator pi px କଲା ବେଳକୁ ସେଟା ମାଇନସ ହେଇଯାଉଥିଲା ଏଠି ଏଇ ଜାଗାରେ ସେଠି କଣ ହେଇଯାଉଥିଲା ମାଇନସ ହେଇଯାଉଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ମୋମେଣ୍ଟମ ଅପରେଟର ନଉଛି ସେ ମାଇନସ ହଉନି ସେମ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ବାହାରୁଛି ଯଦି ସେମ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ବାହାରିଲା ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ସେଇ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସନ ଏଇ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସନରେ onto the left I will multiply one pi ତେଣୁ ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ pi multiply କରିଦେଲି ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ pi multiply କରିଦେଲି onto the left ତାହେଲେ right left hand side ରେ କଣ ହେଲା pi dagger is again identity. So left hand side I can write Lz pi will be equal to pi Lz. So rearranging I will get that Lz pi commutator is equal to 0. ତେବେ ଏବେ ତୁମେ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ଯେ parity ଆଉ angular momentum they can be determined simultaneously. କିନ୍ତୁ momentum ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟ କେସ୍ ରେ ପୋଜିସନ କେସ୍ ରେ ଆମେ parity ଆଉ momentum parity ଆଉ position ଏକାବେଳେ ବାହାର କରିପାରିବା ବା ଜାଣିପାରିବା. Similarly, we can write for total angular momentum instead of just orbital angular. L is L orbital angular momentum. We can similarly write for total angular momentum, which is basically your J operator. All right. So let me write down the summary of these mathematics. ଏଥି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସବୁ ବୁଝା ପଡୁଛି ତ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just summarizing. So first one is pi dagger x y, that is what we got, minus x. Right? All are operators. Second is pi dagger px phi is equal to minus px. Third one is pi dagger lz phi is equal to lz. And fourth one, I am claiming that pi dagger jz phi, which is j is total angular momentum, is also equal to jz. Okay. ଏତିକି କଥା ଆମକୁ parity operator ବାବଦରେ ମନେ ରଖିବାର ଅଛି. Same also goes for speed, but I'm not stressing much at this point about speed because once I say J, J ରେ ମୁଁ କହିଲି L ରେ କହିଲି ମାନେ S ଟା ବି ସେଇଭଳିଆ ହିଁ follow କରିବ. ହେଲା? ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ମାଇନସ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ତାମାନେ ସେଟାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ ଓଡ୍ ପ୍ୟାରିଟି. ହେଲା, ଏଇ କଥାଟା ଟିକେ ମନେ ରଖିବ, ବହୁତ ସମୟରେ ଆସିବ ଆଗକୁ ଓଡ୍ ପ୍ୟାରିଟି, ଇଭେନ୍ ପ୍ୟାରିଟି. ସେମାନେ ଆଉ କହିବେନି ଓଡ୍ ପ୍ୟାରିଟି ମାନେ କଣ. ଓଡ୍ ପ୍ୟାରିଟି ମାନେ କଣ? ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରଥମ ଦିଟା ଏଗୁଡା ହଉଛି ଓଡ୍ ପ୍ୟାରିଟି. ଦିସ୍ ଆର୍ ଓଡ୍. ମାଇନସ ଅଛି ତ, ମାନେ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର୍ମ ହେଲା ବେଳକୁ କଣ ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ମାଇନସ ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ତେଣୁ ସେଗୁଡା ହଉଛି ପୋଜିସନ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟମ ଆର୍ ଓଡ୍ ପ୍ୟାରିଟି. Angular momentum, LZ, ଯଦି ଆମେ 5 ରେ ଲେଖି ପକେଇବା ସ୍ପିନ୍ ଟା କରି phi sz phi will be equal to sz, ତାହେଲେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ତିନିଟା ରହିଲା ଏମାନେ ସବୁ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ସାଇନ୍ ଅଛି, ଏଠି ପ୍ଲସ୍, ଏଠି ପ୍ଲସ୍, ଏଠି ପ୍ଲସ୍. So these are called even parity. Okay, odd parity and even parity. ठीक ଅଛି?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So coming back to your material, I can go through these mathematics. All right. I'll possibly stop it here today. Next class will be on Monday. Monday, same time, 4 to 5. We'll start with transformation of wave function. ଆମେ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଅପରେଟର କଣ ହେଲା, ପ୍ୟାରିଟି କଣ ଜାଣିଲେ, ଅପରେଟର ଗୁଡାକର କଣ ହଉଛି ଜାଣିଲେ, ୱେଭ୍ ଫଙ୍କସନ ର କଣ ହବ, ନେକ୍ସଟ ଅବଜରଭେବଲ ର କଣ ହବ. ହେଲା, ଏତିକି କଥା ଆମେ ଜାଣିବା ପ୍ୟାରିଟି ବାବଦରେ. Any question up to this point?
No, sir.
Yeah. I will suggest all of you, these are little bit of mathematics, more mathematics. Mathematics ଟା ଟିକେ fluent ହେଲେ physics ଟା ବୁଝିବା ପାଇଁ ସହଜ ହବ. ସମସ୍ତେ ଟିକେ after the class ଆଗକୁ ଟିକେ practice କରିବ, ତୁମର ଯୋଉ material ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ତାକୁ ଟିକେ revise କରିଦବ before the next class. Okay. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
sir. Thank you,
Sir,
sir.
Monday class timing 7 ରୁ 8ଟା.
ନାଇଁ Monday same as usual timing 4 ରୁ 5ଟା. ଆଜି କେବଳ 7 ରୁ 8ଟା ଥିଲା because of my other assignments.
Okay, sir.
Monday again 4 to 5.